Sound of Tri-State Folsom Location. Here is the brand new 2024 Harley-Davidson Roadglide. This video shows the new Hertz Audio HSB3 kit, which swaps out the factory amp and front fairing speakers for the Hertz SP 4.900 amp and SX 165 NEO coaxial speakers. Now this kit also allows for Hertz SX 690 NEO coaxial speakers to be added to the rear saddlebags with the Hertz HD 14H saddlebag lid kit. Hertz paired this kit with a D-Class 4-channel amplifier 250 watts RMS X4 at 2 ohms and the Hertz SPL Show Series SX 165 NEO 6.5-inch two-way SPL coaxial speakers with neo magnets and UV/waterproofing with Hertz SPL Show Series SX 690 NEO 6x9. This is an excellent sounding system, and compared to the factory system, it's a night and day difference. If you'd like to upgrade your audio system on your Harley Roadglide or Street Glide, call us at 610-32-80301 or visit any of our 4 locations around the tri-state area. Website is www.soundoftristate.com.